Well, we're back again with another little simple project. We've done one before, but we're going to do some more again, and that is building raised beds. And because I wanted to spare myself the headache of having to hitch up a trailer and all, I just made sure to take the measurements from an existing raised bed and get all the dimensions I needed for the different cuts of wood, so I can go ahead and go to Lowe's and get enough wood to be able to cut all the pieces I needed for 2 separate raised beds. And as you can see in the big tracker, had more than enough room to store basically 2 sets of 16, well, not 2 sets, really 6 boards altogether. 2 of them were 12 footers and 4 of them were 16 footers. And all that wood, some of it which I already unloaded, was able to fit in here. So with that, I could start actually building some beds. Stand by. All right. We have us 2 raised beds to build because we got a couple drums right there to accommodate, as well as some buckets to accommodate. We had an old bucket bed like that one that pretty much fell in. That's where most of those buckets came from. So we're going to be duplicating that one. And well, there was a bed that held those as well that also fell in. So yeah, we're rebuilding all that garbage. Going to have to move that out of the way too in order to accommodate the bucket bed, because our double drum bed's going to be going right over there. Got our tools and everything. We got measurements right here for all the boards for each bed, so I'll know how to put the puzzle together. And we got a little bit of daylight, so let's get started. All right, we got our first bed done. I added some pallet boards along these corners here as braces to maintain the stability of this thing, along with these boards right here for added stability just as well. So this one here is ready to move into position. We get started with number 2, the bucket beds. Stand by. Alright, we are completed with our bucket bed. Just like with the drum bed, went ahead and added some pallet boards for added support all the way around, as can be seen. So this thing will hopefully maintain its rigidity for a good long time. And already had 3 plants in these buckets here that were sitting in the greenhouse, so they were the first candidates to come out here, along with these extra buckets. We still have a few buckets over there, so I'm gonna have to wait to save up a few more before I could build another one of these beds. But what I'm also gonna have to do is add right here another one of these little manifolds right here for the micro irrigation system, so I can accommodate these buckets and quite possibly another one of these beds if I put one right here, or even move that unit over here, because well, there is enough room right there. I could move that one over there and that other bed way over there. Yeah, move all that over here next to this one. But either way, I need to put another tap in the irrigation line to feed this thing. So all in all, we are completed. We got our second bed done along with our first one right there. We just need a bunch of dirt and some more plants so we can get some growing action going. So obviously at this time of the year, the plants that'll end up going in there are probably going to be something that's going to take us into the late fall. So something like squash or possibly cucumbers, who knows. We'll have to think about that. But yeah, it's all done. So as usual, hit the like button, subscribe, notifications. We always appreciate the support, so show us some love. And you can also check out the TikTok website, all that good stuff for other little shorts. And if you feel like reading, you can actually read a bunch of crap on the website, on the blogs and everything. So until the next time, we will catch you later with some more projects, because the work continues. We're done. We're out.